The shrinking space of democracy in Africa, authoritarians are gaining ground in an era of more transactional diplomacy. Sana mash obdan yuko pango inai. But for subscribe or like it on the bell. I got it now. Mna obdan yuko mchizi. NELSONCHAMISA is Zimbabwean opposition figure who is twice run for president. Was recently in London to drum up support for his democratic cause. Democracy is not instant coffee, he said, of the difficulty of unseating ZANU-PF, the ruling party that has misgoverned Zimbabwe for much of the time since independence in the 1980. But Chamisa and others must face the reality that prospects of democracy are, are shriveling across Africa. The continent reached a high water mark of regular, if imperfect, elections in the first decade of the country, when the combination of Western cajoling and popular pressure pushed ruling parties to get democratic ground. Since then, civic space has shrunk dramatically as the outside world shrugs its shoulders. Coups, which had all but disappeared, have returned with a bang. There have been more than a dozen successful pushes in the past decade. Equally, many leaders have learned to game the process through constitutional and electoral manipulation and suppression of free speech. In Chamisa's Zimbabwe, Emerson Mnangagwa, who replaced Mugabe as president in 2017, used violence to secure victory in 2018-2023 elections. Now, he is leaving nothing to chance. Parliament has amended the constitution to extend his mandate to 2030, raising fears the 83-year-old could be president for life. Zimbabwe is far from an isolated case. In Tanzania, a country rarely associated with outright repression, security forces last October killed hundreds of young people protesting against a widely criticized election in which opposition leaders were locked up. They, they included Tundu Lissu, who is currently being tried on trumped up treason charges. In neighboring Uganda, Yoweri Museveni, 40 years in power, is just one democratic pretender, Bobi Wine, into exile and jailed another veteran opposition leader, Kiza Bayeje. This visibly fragile Bayeje 70 collapsed in court last week. Doma developments are good pangwa ine. When I section medu za fungura edmo to live am so subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.